All right, hi guys. It is Friday. We're doing another pattern, throwback 10-year pattern back to when I did Hamsix. I don't need to show you on Pinterest because I also have the card from Alina's card box, so that's easier for me to grab. It's pretty simple. We start with, where's my pointy thing? There it is. We start with like a figure 8, then do another one and another one, so you end up with a 6 petal thing in the middle. And then for each one we're going to do a little curve and make them bigger as you go outward. Once you've gotten them kind of to this size, then you start making smaller ones. So it looks like this if you get it just right. Like this one, she started in the middle and she got to about here before she started making them smaller again. That's it. That's all there is to it. I'm going to do it on this lovely pink piece of paper. We're going to, I wonder if that's got a good texture to it. I don't know. We're going to use an 01 pen. We're going to start with the little figure 8. Can you see that? Let's get you a little closer. Just like that. And then we're going to go around like so, and just keep going. I'm making them a little bit curvy. I think that looks cool. And I'm not paying attention if I've gone all the way around so that they're the same number of loops on each thing. I'm just not really paying that much attention. And I'm just going to keep going until it's as big as I want it to be. Can you see any of that? Did I just do all of that off screen? I bet you I did. Well, I apologize. I still haven't gotten any better as a YouTuber, have I? Nope, 10 years and I still can't figure out how to stay in frame. Alright, that looks good like that, and then we'll just keep going. We'll go smaller. And now we can do one petal. That. couple more. Just like that. Now we're going to do a little bit of shading with my pencil that I have lost. Okay, blendy blendy. And you know it's going to need some highlights because that's the best part, right? Just like that. I do wish that that wasn't so shiny. There, it should look like that. That shiny bit, that's driving me nuts. Wonder if my charcoal, not charcoal, but not that one, this one, my charcoal pencil will give it a different texture on top. Let me see, need to sharpen that. Get rid of that shininess. I'll put the charcoal on top. Will it dull some of that graphite? I need a matte graphite. I still haven't gotten any of that. I keep putting it on my Christmas and my birthday list. Nobody seems to want to buy me pencils for my birthday. I guess I get it. It's not a very sexy gift, but is it something that I would really enjoy? Absolutely. Yeah, that's not doing it. Let me try erasing the graphite and then putting the charcoal down. Let's try that. Well, that's better. Okay, the graphite just was making it so I couldn't get any grip with my charcoal on the page. Trying to get in all those little nooks and crannies. One more. Charcoal just feels different in the hand than okay, I need a black. I need my blending stump for black. Why have I pulled out every color but the black? Clinked his knees. Oh, goodness. Sorry about that, folks. Come on. Not that one. Where's the one that has black on it? Red, orange. Black, white. Haha. Found it. That's better. Not as shiny. That's way better. It's a little shiny, but it's not as shiny. I like that. And now I want highlights, of course. Let's use the white colored pencil. Just like that. Look at how bright white that is. I love that. Super shiny. Super shiny. Love it. So I apologize if at the beginning of this I was off screen. Like I said, I'm still not a very good YouTuber. But I am who I am. You get what you get. And that's me. And I guess I've been here 10 years, so it's good enough for some people. Not everybody likes it, and I get it. I feel like it needs a little extra shine right there. Yeah. One more petal, and we will be done. Just like that. Yep, 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 yep. All right. That was a quick and easy one. I really like that particular pattern. One of the reasons I did it back in the day, 10 years ago. Hamsix. This is going to be for July 17th, 2026. Yeah, I'm going to continue with these throwbacks. I have quite a list. As a matter of fact, I have a list to go through the rest of the year, probably. There's my list of I just started at the first video and I worked my way through writing down the ones, and we'll do as many as I feel like doing, and then, you know, we may or may not continue on, but How did I get off screen? All I did was zoom out. All right. So you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you on the next video. And I'm going to go in the house and cool off because it is roasty toasty out here. Let me show you. Let me show you. It is currently 97.5 outside and almost 90 in here. I'm getting sweaty and I need to leave. All right, I'll see you guys later. I tried it with the air conditioning. The air conditioning is way too loud. This particular new microphone does not filter out the sound of the air conditioning, so I won't be able to be out here in the heat of the day. All right, I'll see you guys later. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I'll see you. Bye.